the beginning of the school year, Mrs. Fitzpea assigned reading buddies. But Adelaide didn't need one. She already had her own. She knew that bears know how to sniff out a good book with their super-powered snouts. They were wild about adventures, and mysteries, and fairy tales. Adelaide knew that bears know how to build peaceful places where no one bothers you while you read. And that you never run away from hard-to-pronounce words because when you get it right, they stand on their hind legs and roar. So you'll keep going. Adelaide knew that bears make their best reading buddies ever. But first, she had to convince Mrs. Fitzpea. Could she?